I'm Richard Wilson.
I'm Justin Mathis, and we're the co-founders of Maths Pathway.
As maths teachers, we're passionate about ensuring that all of our students get the best maths experience possible. But just like you, we know the day-to-day difficulties of targeting our teaching to make sure every student experiences success.
That's why we started Maths Pathway. We envisage a world where every student's learning experiences are captivating, meaningful, and allow them to reach their full potential.
The Maths Pathway community has grown tremendously over the last 6 years, from the first initial teachers who helped us develop the idea to the thousands who today share experiences and practices to make sure that their students achieve the best maths outcomes possible.
We're excited to announce that registrations are now open for our National Teachers Conference, PATH19.
Held on the beautiful Sunshine Coast at the Novotel Twin Waters Resort, PATH19 celebrates excellence in mathematics teaching.
The two-day event is a great opportunity to connect with like-minded peers, hear from amazing thought leaders in education, and exchange ideas with experts.
You'll have lots of concurrent sessions to pick from, covering things like rich learning, mini lessons, change management, data play, and practical ways to build growth mindset in students.
We are astounded every day by the teachers in our community, with how hard they work and how much dedication and enthusiasm they bring to the classroom every day, how committed they are to the success of their students, and how far they're pushing the envelope of what's possible in maths education.
We look forward to seeing you at PATH19.
We'll see you there.